Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another review video on the Crypto Pump channel. In this video guys, we have the Zombiverse token. So guys, like always, I will show you what is the Zombiverse token and a lot of informations about the Zombiverse token for the new people who want to invest in this token. Like you see guys, the token today ranked at 3,111 with a price of 0.3028, a market cap of $4.6 million and the volume of $600,000. The all-time low is 0.4018 3 hours ago, and the all-time high is 0.3023 just 20 minutes ago, with a pump of 1,100%, which is huge and crazy. Also guys, the token available at this moment only on the package swap. Like you see guys, the Zombiverse in the last 24 hours up 1,500%, which is huge. So guys, the Zombiverse is a decentralized and tokenized platform that offers gamers all over the world a truly new experience in the form of a real-life replay game in which participants can earn cryptocurrency while playing. Zombiverse would feature multiple game tries with a dead man walking chain, which would be a public open source and permissionless blockchain with a fully decentralized GameFi network with high speed and low fees. With Zombiverse, you don't just play, you earn while having fun. They take into a world of zombies, a world where you fight for your own survival, a world where only the strongest and smartest players survive, a world where you earn more the longer you survive, form groups, create alliances, become stronger and move through time. The game contains several territories, each with a different time perk. As a player, you move between these territories to find your Colorado. You start the game in the calmer territories. It is important that you get to know in the game of the player around you. Collect XP and tokens by killing as many zombies while you equip yourself properly to work your way up. There are different types of safe houses available to buy to own in the various territories. As you progress, each territory has its own unique gangs, and users can sign up to take advantage of the benefits that this growth brings. Zombiverse is an action-adventure game where participants play scary and intense scenarios and complete missions to progress through the story. So guys, the Zombiverse is a rewarding token to platform users, game enthusiasts, and crypto community investors who want to earn the zombie token by participating in the jungle fighting competition, where the stacks are won by the champions, and it's only token earned from jungle fight that can be used to acquire protected territorial land in the zombie world for building. Also guys, they have an NFT marketplace, and the NFT marketplace players and new players can buy, sell, auction, exchange, and rent out NFT items, which are regularly available in limited members and editions. Additionally, players can use NFT items in game and sell, rent, or exchange them on other players, and players are also able to sell their account. So guys, the Zombiverse features as a blockchain-based NFT economy and marketplace. The play-to-earn game can be compared to some degree to Resident Evil, and there are characters in the form of NFTs. Players pit their characters against another player's NFT, and the winner receives coins that can be used to unlock power upgrades, which make the game character more likely to win. But here's the thing, the coins are actually crypto tokens. This can gain value in the same way Bitcoin or Ethereum can, and players can cash in their earning to use it in the real world. And there is guys 20 billion token, and the total supply and 924 addresses have this token so far. Finally guys, for the community of the Zombiverse, they have 13,000 followers on Twitter. So that's it guys for the Zombiverse token for today. I wish you benefit. If so, please give this video a like. Also guys, don't forget to smash the red button below. Take care and see you later.